Let's see. Hang on. Ooh. Hi everybody, what's up today? I am here with something that is very, very special. So today, by the filming of this, is July 2nd. Tomorrow, as you saw in the intro, is finally the 80th anniversary edition, or the 80th anniversary of this locomotive right here. Now this locomotive needs no introduction whatsoever. Everybody should recognize this locomotive. I recognize it really well. If you know the Flying Scotsman, well, even though this has nothing to do with the Flying Scotsman, kinda, but you will definitely recognize this locomotive too. So as you all can now see, this is the LNER A4 Gresley Mallard. It's one of my favorite steam locomotives of all time. It's an iconic locomotive, isn't it? I love this engine a lot. Now let's unbox it. I actually had this locomotive since September of last year, and the story behind it was that it's my first ever British locomotive, and it's my first ever Pacific locomotive. So when I got it, it's actually a DC chip in it. It's supposed to be a TTS version of it, but I think the previous owner took out the DCC chip and put in a DC socket. So it wouldn't run when I put it on the track. So I was like, oh no, this is not good. And so I opened up the tender, plugged the DC socket in, and lo and behold, it ran like a dream again. Well, not again. I think it was still brand new when I bought it, but yeah. So before we can open this or get the engine out of the polystyrene packaging, let's go over the instructions first. It's a Class A4 locomotive, obviously. It's how you lubricate it, how to take care of it, all that junk, brake rigging, accessories. I already fitted the accessories on. It's just a brake rigging and is it a vacuum pipe? Yeah. There we go. Now let's get this gorgeous locomotive out of the box. I mean, polystyrene packaging. Sorry. It's called the unboxing because it shows you what you get inside. Just look at it, folks. I mean, come on. This is the Mallard. Wow. It's really hard to believe it is turning 80 this year, and I am so glad I got into this hobby just in time for this. I mean, just look at it. I don't know what else. There is no introduction to this video because, hey, this is the Mallard we're talking about. It's the most famous A4 of all time. And you can go see her today. Obviously, you have to have this engine preserved because it's the world's fastest steam locomotive. If you don't have it preserved, we're going to be mighty angry at the world for that, are we? But yeah. I'm not going to do a proper review on it because, well, it's a Mallard. It's supposed to be a budget model. I don't have this premium one. I will get one soon, don't worry. But if I do get one, I want one with the plaque halfway down the body. Because, yeah, I like that plaque. I like it a lot. Now, let's put this baby on the track and see how well she runs. Okay, here we are at the layout, and here is our hero. Can I say hero? Yeah, I think I'll say hero. And one thing I need to mention, while it was doing its 80th anniversary run, it had 6 coaches and 1 dynamometer car behind it. Now, I can only say I do not have the dynamometer car, and I do not have the coaches that this locomotive came with, or not came with, I'm sorry, the coaches that it pulled during its world speed record run. Yeah, so 4 of these Gresley teat coaches are all I have, because we don't have much double gauge stuff here in the USA. So when I do the run by of her with those coaches for the 80th anniversary run, please forgive me, because it's all I have. And Rapido Trains just released dynamometer cars for this year from the Rails of Sheffield website, but that thing's gonna be hard for me to get. So yeah, let's give Mallard some juice. And away she goes. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? Okay, so like I said, I don't have the right coaches for this locomotive, so please bear with me. Yeah, 4 Gresley teat coaches are all I got. I hope that's okay for this locomotive in this world speed record run. Okay, Mallard, let's take you up at high speed. She goes. Let's take her up a little bit faster. Turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it, and turning it. Okay, that's as fast as I'm gonna get her. I don't feel too comfortable for going that fast. Oh, let's make it go faster. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna stop the locomotive before it derails or anything, so here we go. Ah, there we go. Yes. What a fantastic locomotive. And it's turning 80 this year. I really cannot believe it's turning 80. Yeah. That little intro I showed you of the engine in 24 karat gold. Hornby is releasing, I think it's already out now, I don't know, but seeing 18 karat gold of this model, but highly detailed and everything. It looks so good. I would absolutely love to have it on my shelf, just looking at it, knowing how proud I am to own this locomotive, because it's my most favorite locomotive of all time, and yeah, I love it. This engine's my baby, and I love her for it. I will love her forever. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye. And happy 80th Mallard.